Tesla almost hit our sell signal. So today I will give you the insight from the chart and also the price to sell, by the way, only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. And also to teach you how to see Tesla. Is it strong in 225 or it is a weak trend in 225? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you learn more, make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. Now we look at Tesla. Previously, I mentioned we don't have buy signal here, right? Remember the last video I mentioned we are under the red and also the fund movement. The fund is not that strong, so we did not buy back here. If you have my indicator or if you subscribe to my channel, you will understand we don't have any buy signal here. So we didn't buy it. And if you follow my channel, basically you are buying at the low point, okay? So if you buy with the red line, you sell with the red line. So we have the sell signal here for red indicator, which is for short-term investor, which is you buy here, you sell here. For long-term investor, you should buy around this point or this point. Okay, so we almost hitting the sell signal. I will give you the price right now so you can trade today, almost end of the day. So if they close below this blue line, you may start to reduce your holding or you just stop the gain. So you're making profit like minimum from 282, you're selling at 400 this price, 432 this price. Okay, so this right now, this blue line, the number is 432.03. 432.03. If, which is here, if today, this trading day, this close below this blue line, you may stop gain already. Okay, why? Why you cannot hold it? Of course, you can hold it for longer, but we'll look at three things for the trading, right? Trend, okay, fund movement, and then also buy sell signal. Okay, I told you before, first the trend is still going upward. The blue is still going upward. So it's still upward trend for long-term investor. But one thing, how about the fund movement? The fund is the main factor to pull up the price. I'm not buying Tesla for 5% annual return, right? You want bigger return, you want bigger yield. That's why we choose stock market. Otherwise, in some of my video, I also mentioned if you don't have strategy, if you don't have my indicator, just put in the fixed deposit. At least you can get 5% every year, right? By the way, this is not recommendation at all. I just tell you, you need to have strategy. You need to learn before you earn. Back to the point, look at my indicator called YM Big Buy here. What happened is we have a divergence already. What does it mean? The price going up, but the big volume trade, the buying is less than before. And basically, once they hit here, right? Last time they were here. You remember here, this 2 day, I told you not to buy because the fund is not catching up. The fund is quite weak here. We are going under zero here. So it's not strong. Number two, institution holding is still a lot of red, which is fine, but it is still weak because you look, it's under this purple line. It's under this purple line. What does it mean? This means the average, the actual institution holding is less than the average. It means this is weak signal. Okay, this is less strong signal. Another thing, do we have new buying from institution? We can check with YM chip entry. This indicator to tell you actually is a very good indicator to tell you this is a relative low point because institution buy at low. So look at here. You have indicator show up in October. End of October, we have signal here. Also, we have, of course, we have more signal previously, right? Because it's lower price here and here. Okay, and this is a very good indicator. This is basically my secret weapon for long-term investment. Okay, so back to the point. Right now, I want to give you this number, which is the blue line. If you follow my channel, I will not leave you behind. But I want to give you a bit alert. If you follow my channel, and if you're a very short-term investor, and you buy with the red signal, please buy my indicator, please subscribe to it first because this is the red one is a very fast indicator. This is a very short term, just in case I did not update you in time. Okay, so you need this indicator. The second, if you buy with the blue line, I try to update in time all the time. So basically, you have here, you buy here, right? You buy also here because they go above the blue. After that, the blue, I did not give you any video about to buy for the blue line. I give you video about the red line, but see, because the blue doesn't have any buy point, ain't nothing here. But today, basically, if they drop below the blue, you basically making your profit. You cash out right now. Okay? Because why? The fund is getting weak, and I want to protect you for the money, for the Christmas, for the new year. Okay? So I hope you like this video. And oh yeah, 225. Is it strong or weak? I'm going to teach you now. You don't have my indicator. This is fine. This is totally free. And I want to show you this graph. Okay, so let's say you don't have my indicator. Oh, how do we trade Tesla? Of course, with my indicator, you will trade with the blue line later, okay? But so far, no buy signal. Number one. Number two, if let's say you don't have my indicator, you look at this path. Let me see. Uh, 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 uh. This, okay. The weekly chart, I want to show you this one first. Okay, the weekly chart here. Okay, so we have path A and path B here. Okay, so now we're coming back down. Why? Because the daily chart telling you we are coming back down because the fund is weak. We have divergence already. And most likely, if they drop below the blue, we will have some correction. Okay, so let's say they have correction. So now look at the weekly chart. How does it move, the correction? Okay, down, up, up. If these 2 points, the low is higher than this low, okay, the second low is higher than the first low. For 2025, this is still strong. So they will still create another high. Or they create minimum back to the double top, okay? But if they create another pattern, which is pattern B here, which is the low, the first low and the second low is lower than the first low, okay? This is a weak pattern, okay? So the high may go a bit more down. And then it's not going, maybe they don't even touch the previous peak, okay? Maybe they will have a more correction, okay? If you ask me, I don't want to do prediction because I like to do the insights from the chart. This is very objective. I don't want to use my personal opinion, okay? But remember, Tesla right now is not really a technical, it's not a tech stock, it's like a political stock. So basically, Trump will be on the position on 20th of January, 225. Is it possible on 20th of January, let's say 21st of January, they will come back up a little bit? So the low point is around 20th. They come back up a little bit. This is just a personal opinion, by the way. I don't recommend anything. But it's possible they come up a little bit, right? And then you will see later what's going on. We are not the crystal ball. We don't know yet because the fund movement is changing. The fund movement is changing. So it depends later what's going on with the fund movement. Okay, for weekly chart, the YM chip plus and the YM big buy is still good. For daily chart, it starts to become a bit weak. Okay, so this is the update for Tesla. So let me update with you the daily chart again. I give you the number again. I hope you guys catch the number, and then you guys can, of course, it's your decision of course, you need to stay with your strategy. If you buy with another person's strategy or your own method, stay with your own method. This one is only recommended for my follower, for if you subscribe my indicator, follow the strategy, okay? You buy here, you sell here. So what is the profit here, right? So you use the blue and you sell with the blue. So you're making around 70% of the profit in uh 53 days. Are you happy with that? And I wish you guys happy new year, and I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.